Welcome to Druid's Haven. This is a simple spell to draw you love. In one of my meetings in the beautiful Cuban country, the shaman of love taught me a simple ritual that is very famous among the tourists who visit him to find and tie up a new. With faith, it is highly effective. We will need some coffee, a blank sheet of paper, and a marker of any color, thread or red wool. The first thing we will do is please write the name of the person you are interested in. In this case, I will write the name of Sarah Lopez. Now we are going to add the coffee, and we will put it on top of the person's name. At this point, we are going to take our paper, wrap it in the following way. We are going to take it very carefully, and slowly we will fold it inwards, keeping all the coffee in the center. We will press it very carefully. We do not want the contents of the interior to become loose and fall out. Then we will take our wool, we tie our work together, to ensure it is safe and sturdy. Please tell me in the comments which spells you would like me to do next. Share some stories love spells have helped you. Share some stories love spells have helped you. Spend at least 5 minutes a day wishing the spell to work. Please keep it on a piece of furniture on your nightstand in a drawer. Keep it until you succeed with that person. Please like and subscribe if you want more tips and spells. And may blessings be upon you.